feeling so blindly. Angibona omunye sithandwa, you my one and only. Nikuthando lwakho babe, I wanna hold it. Come be with me now, baby girl, I'm gonna treat you right. Forget about them lame, it's just me and you, baby. You hold the keys, baby, my love is real, baby. Mwenu bambo lwam, cela ube ngowam. Bambi isandla sam, I love to see you smile. I won't hurt you, I will protect you. You better come through, I wanna be with you. My love is deep for you, let me cherish you.
Yo, my name is Ivy Black. Born, raised in Mbalenhle. 2285, that's the code. You know how we do it right here. Let's say genre, it's a hip-hop artist, a musician. I can say I'm a hip-hop musician. So I was born in Emba, started rapping in Emba, started all this music thing in Emba. So I was inspired by like local artists, you know, like music generally, just by listening to music generally. So hip hop has been like from family thing, from me. So this is Ivy Black, it's just me, generally. So I started like music like back then. I remember, so I was very young. Like I used to have like the love for music and stuff, you know. Like I used to love music very much. This thing like came from my family. Like my mom used to love like music very much. So as I grew up, I was in Northwest. I remember 2011. Yeah, I used to play drums, like drums, you know, mahlale madiskil vele yema machita go kom. Then I would rap, you know, like listen like, you know, to like musician and stuff. So I started like this thing like just came out like from me, you know, like it was deep inside me. That's all I can say.
Vuma TV.
So the music industry ngisipane nabantu ababhaya, especially ama-record label, like ngisipane nama-record label abhaya. Like i-record label engaqala ukusipana kuya, I remember back then in 2013 bewizinja zam production. Then I went ngaspana nama-local artist wale ngwizinja zam production. Then 2018 when I dropped like my first hit singing, Amancancane, abazokutshela ikatsi noba ungabuza bani ikatsi abazokutshela vele the story behind sonke vele it's about like ikatsi lami ukuthi like yabo kwenzakalani. So ngaspana lapho ngispane nomthizo uThemba Mdluli, yeah, combination record. Then I went by, then we had some like argument. I told you like, okay, what happened there? But there, for me, it was nice because about like quality benguthola, like it was so inspiring about to like music. I still got that EP, not yet dropped. Like yo, you should wait for it. Like it might drop anytime, you know. And so I had to leave that like ngaspana ne Black Cat Mafia. Back then, it was back then that time. Okay, ngaspana no Fiza, yeah. Shout out to Fiza, yeah. Spane naye like my last year. So very kaslam like ngasho ukuthi like ngiliphethe orkanti kahle Southside. Shout out to Southside, every artist from Southside. Like ngispane nabo bhaya vele amajita like yabona, yeah. So vele ngispane nama artist amaningi like that. So look like ngathi industry wise like I've shared ama stages like yabo stage like I want stage performances like yeah ngishare nabo nabantu ababhaya kakhulu. Questa, Big Zulu, okay, abalokali, so we abo Sifilikwane, what. So yeah, it's a lot. Like I've been through a lot like through this music wise. So ngihlangabezeni like ninking ibhaya kakhulu. Like I had a lot of problems, like you know, Firstly, you know, when you started like this music thing, like it's better if you start with your own equipment, then you know you hire a producer. It makes things like easier for you, young mom. So when you nazo like studio equipment and special like yabona like I'm a producer, they act weird like sometimes. uthi yamthola sometimes umuntu umthola nochiro wakhe, sometimes uzenechiro wakho afika kuthathele yena. Hey, it's been a lot. It's been a lot. So hey, mara, like music industry wise, all I can say yabo ngathini exposure, like I haven't like find enough exposure le mina I was wishing ukuthi ngizoyithola yabo. Angayitholi exposure le bengiwish ukuthi like ngizoyithola. Like by this time I thought by this time ukuthi ngizoba mhlambe yabo sengu-industry, like ngispana nama big artist, like I've done everything engicabangayo mina ukuthi like i-artistic show nkosiyenze. Ngibili ne-management, ngibili nama-record label, ngiregistered, like I've registered everywhere, digital platform. You can search me, you can find me right now. I've done music video, I've done performances, but the exposure like ngathini a proper manager kahle wona ngayitholi proper manager. If you are a proper manager out there, I think you should hit me up yabona, like singakhuluma something like ezwakala. Inspire kakhulu, like ngasho ukuthi like isineke nothando. You know, like if into uyayithanda and unesineke for yona yabo, like it can like take you somewhere young bam, like isineke like yabona ngibekezele kakhulu yabona kulento engiyithandayo, and I've gave it like a lot of time young bam. And another thing ngasho ukuthi like yabo hard work, like ukusebenza like yabona ngokusikhandla yabo, like ngispane ngokusikhandla like kakhulu when it comes to music, because I started this thing like back then young man. Nami ngika-realize ukuthi like ngisizobona like i-mic or studio equipment, i-mixer, your computer, your what young man. So your soundproof and what your booth young man, like ngiqale vele yabo, ngiqale ngingazi ukuthi like yabo ngisezozibona la iding, mara ngasho ukuthi lento le ngenxa yothando, ngenxa yokuzimisela, and ngenxa yokuthi vele I wanna do this thing. So engibeke la engibeke khona. So I'm grateful. That's all I can say. I'm grateful, very grateful. Like ngeke ngashaya let me remember mara they are not enough. Mara local, I've been through like local interviews yabo. I've been through local radios, especially about Marangaytoli exposure like for TVs and what. So, but I've sent email like my video, I'm one of your MTVs, your channel O, like in my email there, young boy, like in Shavel quality, very like follow the T's and C's about the for other artists like to look up to. This is very important. Yeah, that's all I can say. That's all I can say, I think.
Vuma TV.
This thing is very different, young bam. Ungasho ukuthi wena as a musician you wanna be like yabona, you wanna see yourself like yabo on TVs, you wanna see yourself on radios, yabo, you wanna see yourself like there out there like doing things. But there are rules and regulations. There are procedures. It's like if I can put it that way, there are procedures we have to follow. The quality, young bam, size. Young bam isn't about which I'm still dealing with like Yabona right now. But professionally as a musician, like those type of thing Yabona, like they don't let me down, because like Yabo already like ngibaphethe abantu yabona like abakhonayo like ukuzenza lezo zinto lezo yangibamba. Mara I just have to put myself out there yangibamba. So like it's not much, it's all about registration like yabo, how to register yourself and what type of music quality you put out there. So musically mina ingoma like ngengayenza like ngigaya like isikhathi eside ukuthi ngicede. I lyrically very mean I trust myself yabo, ayikho. There's no like song I think which I want to get stress in me. So if you guys stress I just subtract it like same time about like I delete it, because into lenyenza ngani nyenza ngothanda yabo. When I do music ngenza ngothanda, so angifuni ukuthi like yabo ingoma mangiyenza nyenze true pressure yabo, nyenze true yabona, because okay manje bese ngifaka iverse then I have to faka iverse ngenkani. No, lento lenyenza true, it comes from within. come from like yabo uthando ngibamba awujam. So yabona if le ngoma le inkanking, I just delete it and start another one fresh. Ukhona number babizi awujam. Namnye ifuna impilo njaya yo. So I did that song in 2019, I remember. Yeah, I did that shit in 2019, I remember. 2019, I was about to release like an EP engizoyibiza ngokuthi i-Alpha. So yeah, enjoy like I release is unreleased. Yeah, ikhona ngathi uyayithola lapha ku-Odomac. Search that song, Awuchiyam. It's me, Ivy Black. Yeah, if you search that song, Awuchiyam, like it tells you like everything about the struggle that one that can get ngabhekana nazo and stuff. Yeah, that's all I can say. But there's more song I love. Like there are many songs like I've done. Through like my music career, like the whole my music career, inkinga engahlangana nazo mostly betrayal. Like there's a reason why I'm joining like a record label anga. There's a reason like why I'm recording like nama artist like amaninganga yabo. Like there's a reason like yabo why I decided okay I have to go solo like right now. Like there's a reason like why like I'm like this like right now musical when you talk about like my music career and stuff. There's a reason why I think so I'm actually like betrayal mostly it was about betrayal, especially from the ownership. When it comes to the ownerships of the songs, like I've done a lot of like hit songs. Now my artists out there like a featuring me, but most of the time that song explaining agubi ya because okay like I know mina lento lengayenza ngivuka like ibuthongo yabo ngayenza ngizivukela nje ibuthongo and they do it like best yangibamba. So into engasho ukuthi betrayal, but I'm cool with that because when I'm still here and I'm still gonna drop like a lot of songs. So that's all I can say. So being a record like I was in paper band like right now, like it's a record as number like we make music all together. So it's the same thing that happened in combination. When it comes like with ownership, like when it comes to like owning music and stuff. So manje I've decided like to go solo. I've decided to go solo. So I don't give like ukuthi kwenzakalani ngabanye ukuthi kwenzakalani. Sure, I'm still cool namachita. Well, shout out to all like my artists like out there. Shout out to all my producers out there. Mara now like since I decided ukuthi ngiyodrop like my own music. Like me, like my music, like music kwami nje since I drop my music. So from now on, everything is bona kuphi. Yo bro, watch and see. That's all I can say. You can watch and see. Uzozibonela ukuthi one day uzongibona. That's it. So my advice like to the younger artists out there, the still upcoming artists out there, register your shit. Own your shit, baba. Own your shit. Register your shit. We have Samro, we have Sampra, we have Capasso, we have Risa. Like register your video, own that shit. And then another advice I can do, besides like registering, do that shit with love. Lento le yenze ngothando. Thande la thing like ifake la inhlizweni. Don't do music for the just ukuthi yabo ngenza music or benginenambeni ubanibani ngibamba. Register that shit.
Yeah, I feel like Pico. Lyrical plus Pico. Don't test me dingos. Push up on the mall. Push up on the till the car. Push up on the for some more. Push up press till we on. Push up, mfana. No mame cool.